Now, any man for ground zero where the work Bamileke farm, where Amba don't take him, give the work Bamileke bush. Any man where the work any farm, when an Amba man he farm. Any person where don't work any black leg he farm, where the work for under Amba. And any person where they buy cocoa for Amba. And buy cocoa where the Amba they control that cocoa bush. Whether now waiting when the Amba man, anything in the Amba. If we get you get slighted information, so the work Bamileke bush, you go come after everybody where the work any farm when a Bamileke man farm. We will come after everybody where they work any farm under Amba. We will come after anybody where they buy cocoa when a Amba that cocoa because they use those things to go buy a weapon. As a cocoa buyer, buy a cocoa for normal farmer will not get with problem. But if not anything, we know how the neighbor passes or civilian them who can't sell cocoa in the name of their cocoa when a Amba cocoa. We know all you. When they deal with Amba for Meme, I want to tell you, say, listen, I know they talk people, I know very well. We go come after you. And when we come after you, go understand Cameroon flag get 3 colors. And this country be controlled by Cameroon government, not be terrorists. Mawe here, me here. Una tell the Amba boy they say, Papa, I no go work me that farm. May the Amba boy say they take their hand, go to work their farm. They don't take them to their farm, they know. May they start work the farm themselves. May they say they start work that farm. Any civilian where I don't infiltrate all village for inside Meme and Jan. Any civilian where it work Bamileke man farm. What are you claim say get kind of connection where you know? The time don't reach. Who can say keep Meme clean, keep Jan clean process. We not go spare you. We not go sorry you. I tell you one time, may you hear, may you learn sense, may you know what I tell you say waiting. Disease from that. Any man work any farm for Amba, I will get Bamileke bush will come after owner because una be worse than that Amba boy. Una say ukunkumize, they take how many weapon for Lucifer. You know make how many days he buy and back all. Because you waiting, they get money through that way. Yes, they get money through that way. We give us stop them. We need to stop all their source of income before we go fit for eradicate this thing. You know you not Amba in a 10 now. We will know all to me and no owner. Owner hide out. You know Busha the way go hide. If you claim they work Amba bush or Bamileke, you go hide for some Bushas. I go know that Bushas. And when I come for them, my brother, you know go prison. Darren Maryland. I repeat, Darren Maryland. My 1 year, May year now warning. I put them out there because it's not talking every year. When I share this message, cut this part, say now me don't talk. That's why you go day. And any person where they work in this way, focus. Don't give more property them. They don't give a block by block. When they chop, they go give focus money, they go buy gun and bullets. Any person where they put more property may leave them. Because when you come, the Kunku distributor they enter. I go make sure say I give all our names. I will say I give all our hide out for the security forces them. They go do their job. Any bushas where you do go find you. And when they get you, my brothers and sisters, I share for yourself. I love una. That is why I can't tell una. So time don't reach for end this thing. Any beginner one job will help it drop it. So I thank una very much. I don't come out to make una more understand seriously. More get this message very clear. But many people is a shameful thing for una. See, a whole Christmas day, una stop una speaking them for their own right to enjoy themselves. Say Amazonian terrorism. By una self. It's a shameful thing for all, but una don't fail. Una need for reach strategize una movement. All man for that don't fail, all man don't fail. Asha, all man, from the mayor them all to all the last man taxi driver, una be a failure. You're gonna fail for do what will be necessary. Una fit start do work today in 2 years time before you see that thing. Not be a biscuit. If you want end goal start for men that go start today, if you see that outcome in 2 years time, you know how many years you start Amboya, how many years? It's a process. You have to put certain things in place before you start those process. As I talk, I not say Amba them, they cry how Kumba they enjoy life. I know very well, so they plan for say they enter town. But I tell them to say, my brother, they should know why blast them. When you come Kumba, prepare your coffin. If If you don't like coffin, because we'll just scratch more hole, we'll just show you for inside. But you say, like I said, may they bury you fine. Just come with your coffin so that we'll wipe you, we'll put inside the coffin. Yeah, fine. For enter Kumba, you go enter, but you know go come out. Now, advice I tell you, the best one will drop your gun or kum the cam. Thank you very much. I will just come out here to pass on that tangible information.